What is up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rick Auto. It's another hot, dusty day here, but today we got a fully loaded Ford Crown Vic. I'm about to search. Take a quick look at this little fleet thing we got going on here. I got this 2010 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. She used to belong to the same security company where I got the Taurus from. I'm gonna search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. I'm basically gonna do a treasure hunt and see what was left behind. I mean, look at this. These are Whelen 500s. We got spotlights. We got some Firehawks GTs. We got these antennas right here. Now there's a Federal Signal AS124 siren speaker back there. Setina push bumper. All right, let's take a quick look inside. This is what really intrigued me about this car. This thing is full of goodies. But before we get to that, let me show you guys another update on the Vegas police car. I got all the wiring hooked up. Check this out. That is super loud, like 200 watt loud. Look what I got going. It is the strobe lights and the front. And I'll show you one other thing. So if I push this button, it's got the fan going. How cool is that? Vegas project video coming next. Wait, what'd you say? What? You can't go to Vegas in this thing? Car's not even done yet. What are you talking about? You don't even have a key, so good luck with that. All right, I'm gonna start my search from the front and work my way to the back. A Whelen 500 series amber. Okay, so this is a replacement for this thing right there. We're gonna test these out in just a bit. All right, let's see the color. Yeah, sweet. Police Interceptor badge that goes in the back right there. This is perfect because the Vegas Police Project actually needs this very same one. Now what is this? Moxie? Some type of smoking device? Looks like cannabis maybe. And this looks like a Troy center console with a Touchmaster Delta and a trunk tracker Uniden Bearcat BCT 15X. Oh, it turns on. All right, it works. Very nice. And look, no seat adjustments. This is all manual. All right, let's start this baby up. Let's look under the hood. She sounds good. She looks dirty. So clean, dirty, but clean. And check this out, guys. Now that the car is on, this thing works. You hear that?
Just minding my own business.
Citizen, this is District 76 Police.
What
You are
the?
violating quarantine protocol 1. I have been now authorized to execute.
Oh.
This right here is a lamp. Oh, it was a lamp because I think I just broke it. Yikes. It's a cup holder. This will start just about every Crown Vic in all of California. Looks like the brackets are already installed for this thing. They are very bright. This is a steak knife. A knife is a knife, right? A cigarette lighter thingy is right here. All right, let's take a look on the other side. Ford emblem sign. Yep, goes right here. Just needs to be glued on. Oh no, look at all that mold down there. Yikes. Computer mount by Panasonic. This is pretty freaking cool. Oh, great. Nope. You got the fleet key? Kidding me? Red hot key. When she's hot, she's flexible. CK1. 5-star ratings for crash test. Very nice. It says it came with a battery saver feature. Yeah, freaking right. Santa Cruz gun locks. Vehicle first aid kit. Motor number 106. Let's see what's in here. Instant cold compress. Burn relief. Sweet. A little bag. Unfortunately, it is 100% empty. Okay, so I'm gonna remove these antennas before they get jacked. Put them over here. All right, let's take a look in the back. A Cetina partitioner. There's no rolling window. All right, these are Cold 3 lights. Let's light these babies up. Oh yeah, look at that. That goes on the sides of the car. This looks like a huge antenna. Let's, oh, this thing is long. Holy crap. Holy smokes, look how long that thing is. It's a huge whip antenna. Hey look, it's taller than me. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and see if this thing will fit on. Please tell me it fits. Yes, it's a match. Here we go. Yep. So after the Vegas car, should I restore the San Francisco Police K9 unit? Type Y for yes, N for no. Let me know. And back here looks like a brackets for some sort of a rear facing light bar. Some lights that go here. And then over here I see some red and blue dome lights. These look older. I don't see a name brand here, but they look magnetic. Let's check these out real quick. Okay, now I got both of them to work. Red one is flashing. I'm at 30 frames per second, so I'm not sure if this is even capturing it. Thank you guys out there using your birthday wish for me to find a biscuit. I really appreciate it. Please be a biscuit. Oh yeah, here goes that light that goes in the back. Right back there. What is this? This is a Cold 3 arrow stick. Looks like I'm gonna have to make some cuts to see if I can get this going. You know what, that reminds, I found like some Dragon's Breath type ammo from another security car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean her up and then I'll show you that footage. You definitely don't want to miss it. I can't even see out of the windshield, she's so dirty. Go, that chocolate milk. Oh, look at her now. She cleans up good. This is like 10 shades of whiter. Fiocchi. There's more in there. Oh, yes. We gotta put this thing to the test. All right, so we're having a little bit of an issue here because these Dragon's Breath shots are not really for this gun.
Too large.
They're too large and again, they're
Where's
stuck.
that knife you had?
Yeah, hold on, let me go get it. Okay, so Funny Man volunteered to take a Dragon's Breath shot. Yeah, you ready for this?
Freeze, Funny Man!
All right, yeah, hold on. Okay, so I'm also gonna record in slow motion.
You like it
So-
right here?
Yeah, right there's good.
All right.
Ready, set, go.
Sorry,
Throw Funny Man, he's gonna get him straight in the air. Ready? Go.
Back out! Ah!
Well, tonight, investigators are looking for a man they say impersonated a police officer, but they also tell us the victim getting pulled over was just the beginning of a nightmarish situation.
The cop impersonator led the driver here, just blocks from where he recently moved. Now, he did not want to use his name or show his face because he's still shaken and fears for his safety. Not only was he forced out of his car at gunpoint and hit over the head with a gun, forced to the ground, he was put in handcuffs before being robbed.
He took out the $400 that I had and some change. Kind of like being a jerk about it, he kind of threw the leftover change, the couple single bills that I had, back at me and said, "I don't need this," and then threw my wallet.
He says after the imposter took off the handcuffs, he told him to remain on the ground. Metro says now if you're ever put in an uncomfortable position or feel like you are in danger, you have the right to call 911 and a dispatcher will help you.
As for Metro, they weren't available for comment. Reporting live, Brian Callahan, Channel 13 Action News.
Back out!